Nung mapakinggan ko ho yung mga pamilya, mas mabigat ho pala. Kapareho ko kasi. Kailangan lang ho kasi namin mga pamilya ng mga tao na may mapagkukwentuhan namin, na maniniwala sa amin at pakikinggan kami.
Wala bang naniniwala? Well, yung sa inyo, nung una siguro walang maniniwala. Pero paglabas ng CCTV, ay maraming nagalit at syempre naniwala sa inyo. Father Flavie, marami bang at that time na hindi talaga naniniwala sa mga pamilya na naging biktima ng war on drugs?
Sobrang dami, Pinky. Sobrang dami. Even among my family members, I had to explain it to my mother. And my mother is a pro-life defender. May she rest in peace. But she had her reasons why perhaps these people were killed to begin with. Sabi ko, yan ba yung tamang pag-iisip?
Dahil drug addict sila,
Dahil
drug
daw drug
pusher sila.
addict. Sabi ko, nakalimutan mo yung anak mo, dati ring drug addict. So, tama ba yun? Tama ba? So, madami. The narratives that were thrown and ingrained to us by the past administration was very, very much popular to the point, madaling binili ng madla. Until today.